Guys, in a minute when we do our fire drill, I don't know if you remember, we're gonna go out facing like east like.
Yeah.
Just look for me, and I'm gonna be
And me. Stop. It's like my one opportunity to get this. Well, your door would be closed too. Had actual severe weather then. So in the class when your windows blow out, it doesn't come into the hallway as much. Dude, I'll be able to get a good view once here. No one's in my way. Probably gonna sound the alarms early if they do. They have to technically, but not everyone does. Code requires them to. It's part of law.
A few evacuation reminders at this time. We will exit the building using our primary route unless it's blocked or hazardous. When an alarm is sounded and we see smoke or it is announced that it is okay to exit the building, please hold until the alarm is sounded.
Coleman, move. Or don't. I'm trying to get a shot of these doors closing. Damn, that one's loud. Did they just drill it? How did it drill it?
Thinking about how when you were in elementary school, they let you do the fire drill
Yeah.
as a reward.
JJ. I finally got a bit of the doors closing. There you go, shut them up. Signal silence that shit. Where's my mom? Fire door. I'm running. I saw that the system's reset, so... Oh, that's a problem. Okay, no, it was just... Is it open? What the hell? Yeah, that's bad. That's really bad. Dora got stuck. Yeah, that's really bad. Code violation. Number whatever the hell it is.